Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to access the webcam on your PC using React.js. We'll be using a handy package called react-webcam, and for styling, we'll use Tailwind CSS to make everything look clean and responsive. So let's get started. First thing, I've already created a new React application using Vite, and I've named it Webcam. If you haven't done this yet, you can create your app by running npm create vite at latest webcam. Then, select React as the framework and JavaScript as the language. After that, move into the project folder and install the dependencies using npm install. Now let's set up Tailwind CSS for styling. Since we're using Vite, we'll follow the official Tailwind documentation for installation. Here's a quick rundown of the steps. Next, let's install the React Webcam library, which is what we'll use to access the webcam. Open your terminal in VS Code and run the following command: npm install React Webcam. This will add the library to your project. Webcam is the component provided by the React Webcam library. It gives us a live feed from the user's webcam. We define a functional React component called webcam screen. useref is a React hook that lets you create a reference to a DOM element or a component. This is useful when you want to directly access or manipulate the component, in this case, the webcam. Export default allows this component to be imported and used in other files. This creates a reference to the webcam component. Initially, it's set to null. Later, this reference can be used to take screenshots or access webcam properties directly, though this code doesn't do that yet, but it sets the stage for future functionality. This outer is the main container for our component. We're using Tailwind CSS to flex call, use flexbox in a vertical column direction. For a clean look, displays the title, webcam screen, styled with Tailwind. Core of our webcam functionality. Ref, ching, webcam ref. Connects the webcam to the webcam ref we created earlier. Audio, chien, false. Disables audio from the webcam. Screenshot format, image, JPEG. If you decide to capture screenshots later, this sets the image format to JPEG. Class, name Shane, rounded LG shadow elg, applies Tailwind styling for rounded corners and a shadow to give it a modern, clean look. A short description below the webcam, styled with Tailwind. MT4, adds space above the paragraph. Text gray, 600. Makes the text a soft gray color, less prominent than the heading. This entire component does the following. Uses React's useref to reference a webcam. Uses the React webcam library to display the live webcam feed. Styles everything nicely using Tailwind CSS. Prepares your app for further functionality, like capturing images or toggling cameras. So that's how easy it is to integrate webcam functionality into your React app using the React webcam library. You can expand this further by adding features like taking snapshots, switching cameras, or even integrating it with facial recognition libraries. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Thanks for watching.